In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Docs' zoom problem. If your document looks too tiny or way too large, or if the page doesn't fit nicely on your screen, the fix is usually quick. There are two places that control zoom: Google Docs itself and your web browser. We'll reset the document view first, then make sure the browser isn't zoomed in or out. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Docs. Click the official Google Docs link to open it. If you're asked to log in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your files. Once you're in, open the document you want to work on and give it a moment to fully load. You'll know it's ready when the top toolbar and the page preview are visible and responsive. Now look at the top toolbar inside Google Docs. This is where document-specific controls live, including the zoom setting that changes how the page itself appears. Find the drop-down that shows a percentage, usually 100%. It sits near the paint roller icon, which is the format painter. That percentage is your document zoom. Click that percentage. To bring things back to a normal view, choose 100%. This gives you a true-to-size display of the page. If you prefer to see the entire width of the page without side scrolling, choose Fit. Fit automatically scales the page so its edges align with your screen, which is great for reviewing layouts or working on narrower displays. If your text still looks off after changing this, try toggling between 100% and Fit to see which view feels most natural for your monitor. Here's an important note. If the toolbars and menus themselves look unusually tiny or enormous, that's a sign the browser zoom, not the document zoom, was changed. This often happens by accident when a keyboard shortcut or a mouse gesture is triggered. When the browser zoom is altered, every part of the page, including buttons and icons, scales up or down. To fix that quickly with the mouse, look to the far right side of your browser's address bar. When your browser is not at its default zoom, you'll see a small magnifying glass icon appear near the bookmark star. Click that icon and choose Reset. This returns the browser to 100%, so everything, including toolbars, returns to a normal size. After resetting the browser zoom, check your document's percentage menu one more time and set it to 100% or Fit as you prefer. That's it. Your Google Doc should now display at a comfortable, accurate size, and you can get back to writing without distractions.